Hey everyone! Migrating from Wix Studio to WordPress using the Importer tool is a solid choice for a more automated transition. This method allows you to pull in content directly by pointing WordPress to your live Wix URL. Step 1. Publishing the site on Wix Studio. Wix is a closed garden, meaning its data isn't publicly accessible unless the site is live. Why it matters. The WordPress importer works by crawling your live site. If your site is only in draft or preview mode, the importer won't have a public URL to fetch data from. Check your mobile view in Wix Studio before publishing. The importer tries to bring over the structure it sees. A clean, published layout makes for a much smoother transition. Step 2. Copying the URL and heading to WordPress. This is the handoff point. You are moving from the Wix ecosystem into your self-hosted WordPress dashboard. Use your primary domain, like www.yourbrand.com. If you haven't connected a domain yet, use the free Wix URL. For example, accountname.wixstudio.io/sitename. In WordPress, the Tools section is where all data handling utilities live. Clicking Import opens the gateway to external platforms. Step 3. The Wix Importer Setup. This is where the magic happens. WordPress doesn't come with the Wix Importer pre-installed, so you have to trigger it. Once you click Import, scroll to the bottom. If you see Wix, click Install Now. This downloads a small script that knows how to read Wix's specific code structure. After installing, click Run Importer. You'll be asked for that URL you copied earlier. A common sub-step here is author mapping. WordPress will ask who should own these posts. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.